Hello friends, through this video we are introducing about Microsoft Excel themes options. Excel offers themes to change the look of your workbook with the click of a button. Each theme consists of 12 colors, 2 fonts, heading and body, and effects for shapes and smart art. On the page layout tab in the theme group, you can see that workbook below uses the standard office theme. On the home tab, in the font group, you can view the theme colors and theme fonts. Theme font. Heading is Calibri Light and body is Calibri, and font theme colors. On the page layout in the theme group, click themes and choose theme, the badge theme. On the home tab, in the font group, you can view the theme colors and theme fonts of this theme. Heading is Impact, body is Gills and 70, and theme colors change. Now search on the page layout in the theme group, click colors, customize colors to create new theme, or click customize colors to create new theme, or click fonts and customize fonts to create a new theme fonts. Heading we can change, body font also we can change. Then click themes to save current theme to save your theme in the document themes folder. You can now use this theme in all your workbooks. You can even use this theme in Word and PowerPoint also. You can save current theme. Okay, hello friends, through this video we are introduced about Microsoft Excel theme options. We discussed how we can customize a theme in Microsoft Excel. I think you have understood my words. If you are at first time in my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and comment your valuable opinions below this video. Thank you very much.